goodness, Adam. Yeah, thanks for that preview of coming attractions because I think the precip is going to be very heavy this afternoon and tonight. And already we're seeing some spots of flurries. This is a live look from our camera at Stadium Place. Temperatures at 33 degrees. One of the difficulties in our forecast is that we're going to be dealing with a rain-snow mix. And these temperatures are going to be flirting with the freezing mark, but at times above it. So exactly what kind of precipitation we'll see is making this forecast a challenge, but we got you covered. A rain-snow mix is a possibility, bottom line. We could see our heaviest snow not only for the passes, but over the Cascade and Olympic foothills, the Kitsap Peninsula and the Hood Canal. It's in those spots where we could see 3 to 8+ inches of snow. Isn't that intense? And then we've got the possibility for upwards of 4+ inches of snow. Seattle, Everett, Bellingham, Mount Vernon. But these snow totals in Puget Sound, it all depends on exactly when the warmer air arrives. We start cool, and then we'll be dealing with a warmer southerly wind, changing over that snow to rain at some point this afternoon and into tomorrow morning. And by the way, it's just terrible. It's terrible that we've got the greatest uncertainty about precipitation type in Seattle, the highest populated area here in western Washington. The greatest amount of uncertainty in our precip type and our snow totals. It's something we really have to track for you. We're expecting 1 to 2 feet of snow for the mountain passes. We know for sure that's going to be brutal. It's going to be breezy and windy in spots. And overall this week, we'll have times of lowland snow, meaning we're going to stay slushy, icy, and wet on our roads here and there over the next several days. A look at radar right now, and in the green we've got rain. In the white and blue colors, that's where we're suggesting snow is falling over the north coast and parts of the Puget Sound area. We're going to stay in the mid to upper 30s today. Easy to see why this is a challenging forecast with these temperatures. All it takes is a couple of degrees difference to give us vastly different impacts. Highs mid to upper 30s. Don't focus so much on these numbers as the feeling. It's going to feel cold out there because we got the clouds. We also have this very heavy precip this afternoon and tonight, and the wind is going to make it feel super chilly too. Futurecast is really interesting. Now, I want you to take this as an overall trend. I feel almost hesitant in showing this because even though this event is nearly upon us, the forecast models are still disagreeing on exactly when that warmer air arrives. But a big picture, some flurries a possibility for some of us by 9. The heavy precip knocking on our door along the coast. Look at that rain surging into the South Washington coastal beaches by noon today. The possibility for heavy snow in some spots, the Olympic Peninsula, Hood Canal, Kitsap Peninsula. There might be a rain-snow mix at times, Tacoma, Olympia, and into the southwest interior, but little to no accumulation Tacoma and to the south. This is a look at where flurries could still be happening during the lunch hour, Seattle and Everett. Heavy stuff continues to push up to the north as we go into 3 o'clock, and watch as that warmer southerly flow takes hold. You ready for this? We're pausing the clock at 7. Where snow is happening, it could be very heavy, dropping visibility and giving us several slushy inches. That rain starts pushing into Olympia, Tacoma, possibly into Seattle by 7. Again, Seattle, our biggest question mark for today. By midnight, we're still going to be dealing with very hefty snow totals. 7 a.m. tomorrow, a lot of that precip in the lower elevations certainly changes from snow over to rain. It's going to be gusty today and tomorrow morning, by the way. Noon tomorrow, a brief break. And then Wednesday night, our next round of lowland snow. Though our round of lowland snow Wednesday night and Thursday doesn't look as highly impactful as what we're going to see in some spots this afternoon and into tomorrow morning. Okay, rain snow mix again on Friday, fewer showers. Similar on Saturday, mainly dry on Sunday. Another chance for rain and snow on Monday. More on everything coming up next. I'll send it back to you.